students, welcome to Arsul Polytechnic YouTube channel. I am Professor Visay AK from Computer Department. In today's session, we will see the numerical asked on rotation transformation. The question is, rotate a triangle defined by A in bracket 0, 0, B in bracket 6, 0, C in bracket 3, 3 by 90 degree about origin in anti-clockwise direction. This is the numerical on rotation transformation. So for this, the solution is, the first step is, let's represent the given triangle in matrix form. The matrix representation of given object, that is triangle, is 0, 0, 6, 0, 3, 3. But we have to represent the given object in homogeneous coordinate system matrix form. So I will write here 1, 1, 1. This is the representation of a given object in matrix form. Let's represent this triangle in pictorial form. The pictorial representation of given triangle is look like here y-axis, here x-axis. So our coordinates is first is 0 and marking the coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first point, that is A, is at origin. So here we got the first point A. Then second point coordinate is 6, 0. So we will get the second point B here, 6, 0. And third point is at 3, 3. So here we will get the third point C, that is at 3, 3. Now join this all the points. The given object is look like this before rotation. Okay. Now the question is, rotate a given triangle, means this triangle, by 90 degree about origin, that is at point A. So for rotation we have, or rotation transformation, we have rotation matrix is cos theta, sin theta, 0. We have to rotate this given object in anti-clockwise direction. So I am writing here the rotation matrix of anti-clockwise transformation. Anti-clockwise rotation. Cos theta, sin theta 0, minus sin theta, cos theta 0 and 0, 0, 1. This is the rotation transformation or rotation matrix in anti-clockwise transformation. Here we have rotation angle, that is theta equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the rotation matrix will become cos 90, sin 90, 0, minus sin 90, cos 90, 0, and 0, 0, 1. So, what is the value of cos 90? The cos 90 is 0. So, our this matrix will become cos 90 is 0. So, 0. Sin 90 is 1. So, 1. Here 0. Then minus sin 90. Sin 90 equal to 1 minus 1. Cos theta means cos 90 equal to 0. 0. Here 0, 0, 1. So the rotation matrix we will get 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. For any transformation or any operation, we have the formula, that is P dash equal to P into T. Here we have to find the P dash. P dash means after rotation how our object look like. P is the original object, that is we have represented over here, and T is the transformation matrix. Here our transformation is a rotation, and we will get the rotation matrix of this. So P dash equal to P. What is P? P is nothing but the original object, that is 0, 0, 1, 6, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1 into our T. T is a rotation matrix, that is this 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So let's perform the multiplication of these two matrices. 0 into 0, 0, plus 0 into minus 1, 0, plus 1 into 0, that is 0. So here we will take 0. Then 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0. Here we will get second element 0. Then 0 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 1, 1. That is 1. Here 6 into 0, 0, 0 into minus 1, 0, plus 1 into 0, 0. That is 0. Then 1 into 6, 6, plus 0 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 0, 0. So here we will get 6. Then 6 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 1, 1. So we will get 1. Then 3 into 0, 0, plus 3 into minus 1, minus 3, plus 1 into 0, 0. Here we get minus 3. Then 3 into 1, 3, plus 3 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 0, 0. So we will get 3. Then 3 into 0, 0, plus 3 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 1, 1. Here we get 1. This is the matrix after rotation of triangle by 90 degree. So let's represent the resultant matrix in pictorial form. Y-axis, x-axis, minus x-axis, minus y-axis. So what are the coordinates? This first coordinate of point A is 0, 0. So here 0, then here I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first point coordinate is 0, 0. That means here we will get first point, that is A. Then 0, 6 is 0 and 6 is here. So here we will get the next point B. Then third point is at minus 3, 3. So minus 3 and 3. Here we get our third point, that is C. Let's join these points like this. This is our resultant object, or this is the object we will get after rotation of 90 degree. Originally the object is look like as this, and after rotation by 90 degree our object is look like this. So thank you for watching.